Today let's make restaurant style fried rice with garlic chicken. This fried rice contains only egg and you can make this with garlic chicken in just 15 to 20 minutes. And the best recipe to pack for lunch. So let's begin. First I'll start with garlic chicken. Add 500 grams boneless chicken in a bowl. Add half teaspoon salt and some crushed black pepper powder. Add 1 teaspoon maida. And now give this a nice mix and set this aside. And now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons butter in a pan. Now place all the chicken pieces and shallow fry till it becomes golden brown. And to this I'm adding 2 tablespoons minced garlic. Give this a very nice mix. And next I'm adding finely chopped coriander leaves. And fry this for a minute. Add 1 tablespoon oyster sauce. Add little water if required. Give it a good mix. And next I'm adding 1 teaspoon soya sauce. Mix this nicely. Add little water. And cook this for a minute. And now switch off the flame and sprinkle some finely chopped spring onions on top. And now the garlic chicken is ready to serve. And next we would move on to making fried rice. Add 3 tablespoons oil. Add 1 egg. Oil should not be too hot while adding egg. Fry this egg. Once done, remove it and set this aside. And now add 1/4 cup sliced carrot, 1/4 cup sliced capsicum, 1/4 cup sliced bell pepper. Fry this veggies for half a minute. And then I'm adding 2 tablespoons butter in it and fry this for a few seconds. And next I'm gonna add cooked rice, cooked basmati rice. Give a gentle mix and make sure you don't break the rice. And now add fried egg with half teaspoon white pepper powder. And also add half teaspoon salt. Mix gently. And next I'm adding 1/4 cup spring onions. Mix well. And now your fried rice is ready to serve with garlic chicken. This whole recipe takes only 30 minutes to make. But when I pack it for lunch, I cook rice a day before and chop all the veggies a day before and store it in refrigerator so that it's easy to make and pack this for lunch. So guys, give this a try and let me know how it turned out for you. And follow us on Instagram page shimis.kitchen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and when you do, click that little bell icon. See you with more amazing recipes. Take care, stay healthy and have a nice day.